Hi everyone! Welcome to Straight Out Osaka. Today, I'll show you how to make
Futomaki.
Futomaki is a type of sushi roll made by using a single sheet of yakinori to create a thick, flavorful roll. It can be made with a variety of ingredients, but because I love seafood, I will make one with some fresh fish and vegetables. Every year on the 3rd of February, the day of Setsubun, it is a custom originating in Osaka to eat an uncut futomaki in silence, wrist facing in the direction of good luck. The custom has now spread throughout Japan. Alright, let's get started. These are the ingredients. For making sushi rice, please watch how to make chirashi sushi in my channel. First, prepare the vegetables. Cut the cucumber into quarters and remove the seeds from the inside. Cut the avocado in half, peel, and slice into 6 to 7 mm pieces. Now for the fish. Cut salmon, kingfish, tuna into long thin strips. They should be about 1 cm wide. Prepare the makisu. Place yakinori on the makisu. The first step is dip your hands in the tezu and take some rice. Then make an oval shape and stretch it over the yakinori. Spread evenly over the surface, leaving about 2 cm on the top. Then place the fillings on top of each other. Once everything is on top, roll it up. Use your fingers to firmly hold and roll the rice in a single motion. It's better to roll it as you apply slight pressure and pull it into the roll. Shift makisu a little bit at a time while gently pressing down. When you've finished rolling, make sure the nori is properly attached. Then put the makisu over the top and press down lightly again. Don't forget to slightly press from the sides. Okay, it's done. Now let's cut it. When cutting, first cut in half, then cut each half in half again, and half it again. Each time you cut, wipe the knife with a wet cloth. Let's serve it up. I topped it with some Ikura to make it a little fancy.
いただきます。
Futomaki sushi is a great dish for any occasion. It's perfect for when having a people over, especially for parties and gatherings, so give it a go! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!